I love the back streets, man. Love them. It's so much fun. So much fun. Why would you park your car there, for God's sake? Side streets and shit, man. It's the best skill honing place that you've literally got. You got all this slow speed sort of stuff. You also have a lot of twists and turns and everything, and you've also got to deal with traffic, kids running out, all sorts of stuff. So literally this sort of riding, if you were new and you're a learner or whatever, and you're sort of too afraid to actually go out on the main roads and stuff, side streets, man. That's the best place to go. You gotta use your indicators, you gotta use pretty much everything, man. Sometimes I just cut through the side streets and all that sort of stuff. This is where I started on pit bikes, man. Like back streets, side streets, all through these sorts of areas, man. You used to come on the pit bike all the time, and you just hone your skills and just have fun, man. And then when I got onto road bikes and stuff, I was just hitting up main roads because I'd done all this. But if you literally want to improve yourself as a rider, and you're literally too afraid to go out on the major roads and stuff, which some people are, man, and you know, part of what I do on this channel is to help new and beginner riders. If you guys are literally a beginner rider or whatever, and you don't know how to really start honing your skills, and you are literally afraid of being out on the major roads, and there's a lot of people that are, man. Like, riding major roads can be daunting as all shit, dude. Like, I ain't gonna lie, you have a lot of cars. Like, this is actually quite light traffic for a weekday. This is actually quite light. But a lot of people get scared, and it's very daunting to be out riding amongst traffic and amongst cars just straight out of the gate, dude. And that's why I actually like the way they're implementing an on-road test and stuff for learner riders, man, because not a lot of learner riders get to experience what it's like being on the road. Like, before you're learners, like, what do you have? Nothing. You have nothing before you're learners. And a lot of beginner riders, man, they come out onto the road, and it's very daunting. But if you have to learn somehow, funny kid, you have to learn somehow, right? And so what do? You go the back streets. I did all that sort of stuff, man, on back streets and everything like that. That's how I learned. Mind you, it may not have necessarily been 100% legal what I did, but I learnt that way growing up as a kid. One thing I love about being out and just riding, sometimes I just go out for rides and everything, even in this sort of stuff, like during the week, traffic and everything, I don't mind it. Just the people you meet. I met this little old lady and I was talking to her. She had a Jack Russell. Really nice lady. And it's just people like that you meet. Like, you do meet a lot of people that don't have the time of day for you, and people who grab their kids and tell them to stay away from you because you're a motorcyclist and stuff like that. Well, maybe just stranger danger, I don't know. But and you meet some really nice people. And sometimes it's just all worth it then. It really is just all worth it.